My name's Maurilicet Vargas. I am 17 years old. I live in Santander Palm. I am single. I am child courage for being an intelligent, cheerful, humble for being an intelligent, responsible woman. I don't know taking to believe to all the moments I am and the university. I study enterprise administration. I go in the second semester. I love together with me parents and siblings. I have many teach to do in me. One of the is hand, the one moreover me to kid fighting is to relish me drinks and take it to me family the Hivek then watch they share any quotes diet if fish for teach you will cherish it with Grich say such. Thank you. See you so.